Hi guys, now let's start with the circuitry part. I will tell you that how you can connect your NodeMcu board with the LED. See, I have also shown you in my presentation that how you can connect the board with NodeMcu. The positive terminal would go into general purpose input output pin, any general purpose input output pin. I have taken D3, digital pin number 3, and negative to the ground. We have also taken resistance here. If the LED takes more voltage than 3.3 volt, then you must add resistance for safety purposes so that it does not corrode or does not fuse up your LED. So you can use the you can use the resistance part also, but here we have not used the resistance. I will also show you my practical schematic. See, this is my practical schematic. This is the NodeMcu board which I have connected to my laptop, and the LED, it's glowing, and I have connected the LED to the NodeMcu board. After this circuitry part, we will actually upload the code in our board. So when you are done with the circuitry, now let's upload the code into the NodeMcu board and we'll start with results. So first of all, just open Arduino IDE and open your Thingspeak account. It's getting few minutes. Go to your channels, go to LED, and again I am telling you that just add your read API key in the code. Arduino IDE is getting opened. So we will again add our read API key and channel ID. Then afterwards we will upload the code. I will also explain you the code. Here you will see your results, actual results, that how your LED, when it is on it will show 1, and when LED is off it will show 0. I will tell you in my code itself that how we will able to see this. Arduino IDE is just getting opened. It takes few minutes or though. See, Arduino IDE is open. So our channel read API key which we have pasted, and my channel number also. So what is our channel number? Our channel number is this. Just copy it and paste it in your Arduino IDE board. We have pasted. See, this is your character SSID and password. We will also change the character SSID and password too. Our characters SSID and password is also set. This is our serial begin, where we can check our serial monitor also. This is the Wi-Fi client, this is Thingspeak client, and this is your LED output where your LED will LED will glow. So we will just change our LED to D0 because I have added it in D0 port. So just change it into D0 port. This is the code. If I put read value 1, then LED will be high. If I will put read values another else, then LED will be low. So let's begin. Upload the code. It will take few time to compile and code. Before that, we just go to our LED, we go to our API keys, and we will just paste the read API key, copy it and paste in another browser. When actually our code will be uploaded, we will run this link and I will tell you that how you can change your fields. It is taking few minutes to upload. It is just compiling and then we will be ready with the program. See, the code is uploaded. Now we will check the result. Go to your Thingspeak account. We have pasted this link already, so let's go and paste it. Go to the right, copy it and go to your private view. Now just paste the code and run it. It will show 1. The LED is also not glowing. See, the LED is not glowing. Now if we add 1 here, see, the field is changed and we have given the notification that LED is on at this. Now I will show you that how LED is on. See, the LED is also on. It is off because the server is off. Now it's again on. So see, this is the graph. You can see that how the LED can be get on through Thingspeak and how IoT actually works. So this is the great application that how we can use Thingspeak. Now I will give you a challenge and based on that I will be able to figure out that you have learned something. So thank you.